ka bang dean na laging iniisip kung paano mag-improve ang faculty performance at student success?
Or baka ikaw palaging hinahabol ng budget cuts pero expected pa rin to deliver quality education.
At kung digital transformation ang hinihingi sa'yo, pero kulang ang oras, tao at resources, nakaka-stress, di ba?
Alam namin ang pakiramdam, Dean. Better outcomes for students, motivated faculty, at isang school system na kayang mapagsabayan. Pero minsan, parang sabay-sabay ang challenges. Limited budget, adapting to change, pressure sa school ranking. Nakaka-drain. Pero imagine this, may isang platform na kaya mong i-manage lahat. Streamline faculty work and engage students better. Kasi at the end of the day, ang tunay na kasukatan ng leadership mo kung gaano ka napag-transform ng learning experiences.
That's where Moodle LMS comes in, your trusted partner in transforming digital education. With Moodle LMS, you get student and faculty management, assessment and report, flexible digital learning. Pero hindi ito laging available. School starts now. Get ahead faster. Don't wait until your student and faculty left behind. Start transforming with Moodle LMS today. Contact us at info@matilaweb.com.ph and book a demo now.